In today's video, I will teach you how to design a logo using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea, then go to File, then New. Then set the document size to your preferred dimensions. For example, 1000 by 1000 pixels for a square logo. Then choose a high resolution like 300 dpi if you want your logo to be print-friendly. Then set the background to transparent option. Now, select the text tool from the toolbar on the left side. Then click on the canvas and type the name or initials for your logo. Then go to the top menu to change the font style, size, and color. You can also add custom fonts if you need a specific style. Then adjust the positioning of the text as needed. Now we're going to add shapes or graphics. To add shapes, select the Shape tool or simply press U and choose the shape that fits your logo design. For example, rectangle, ellipse, or polygon. Now draw the shape on the canvas and adjust its size, color, and position. For custom graphics or icons, go to File, then Open and Place, and insert any pre-made images or icons that you'd like to incorporate into your logo. Now use the Move tool or simply press V on your keyboard to adjust the position and size of your images and graphics. To change the color of the shapes or text, use the Fill and Stroke options in the top menu when the layer is selected. Then add effects like Drop Shadow, Inner Glow, or Gradient Overlay by right-clicking on the layer and selecting blending options. Then play with different effects to enhance the logo's look. Now we're going to arrange and group elements. Use the Move tool or simply press V on your keyboard to adjust the alignment of the text, shapes, and icons. To keep everything organized, select all the layers of your logo and group them together by pressing Ctrl G or Command G on Mac. And once your logo design is complete, go to File, then Export As, then select the file format. Choose PNG if you want a logo with a transparent background. You can also save it as a PNG or SVG depending on where you'll use the logo. And that's it, you've created a logo in Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.